Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a workflow in Hubspot. So to go to workflow, you go to automation, workflows. So it's here where you create your workflow. So either you do it from scratch or from template. So there Hubspot is giving you the list of template that you can use. We have Marketing Hub, different kind of workflow templates, Operations Hub, different kind of template that you can start to use, Sales Hub, Service Hub, and so forth. So what we're gonna do now, let's do the basic one that people they always use, which is after someone. So once you create your form, so you want that after you create your form, the email must be sent to the contact, to the person who submit the form, that you receive their form submission. So that one, to do so, you're gonna have to go to the form itself, marketing. You go to lead capture forms. So if you do not have the form yet, you just create your form. Choose the basic one, embed form. We just choose the letter, for instance, just registration, and then you go next. And then here we have automation. So from automation, as you can see there, so automate what happened after a form is submitted. Use simple workflow to take care of your work follow-up, your follow-ups after contacts engage with your form. So for example, sending them a follow-up email. So here we have recommended simple workflow. Send an email after form submission. Automatically send an email to every contact who submit a form. To the other side is create your own simple workflow. Decide what happens after a contact submit a form. So you can add up to 10 actions here. So we're going to use the template one. So create this workflow. So once you create this workflow here, so as you can see, we have a contact enrollment trigger, a contact submit form, new registration form. So this contact enrollment trigger is once someone submit the form, they're going to be enrolled directly with this workflow. As you can see, they show details, no change needed, and what trigger this what this trigger will do. So contact submit form, new registration form. So here they're giving us already something to do there. Send the unknown email. So you click here. So as you can see, enroll contact. So here, if you want to put some associated contact, you can use that. But enroll contact is every user that submit this form is called enrolled contact. So now we're gonna have to so you want to send now your clients the email once your customer the email once they receive once they submit the form. So you're gonna need to have an email. So you're gonna have to create now kind of like an email template. So let's say, for instance, you already create templates here. We're gonna just choose an email template here. So workflow tutorial. So you're going to just have to choose the email. Is either you create the email or you choose the email. So to create a new email is here where you can create a new email. So there we did create just a basic email there. So you create your email. Once you finish to create your email there is where now you're going to save. Once you save, now you do not have that red message here. And then after that, the only thing you're going to do is to turn it on. You got it. And then voila, so your workflow is on. Thank you so much.